Today we're gonna replace the SSD on this Mac Mini A1347 2014. So let's do this. I take my pry tool and remove this panel. It's very easy to remove. I'm going to remove this with, I have here a T6 Torx, so we're going to have to remove all these 6 screws. Here is the SSD. Let's remove this. And I'm gonna replace it with, I have an Apollo S3 256 GB SSD. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.